Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Steffi Fernandez here, and in today's video I'm going to do Barbie's logo. Now this look or movie has been trending for the last 2 weeks, and I decided to give in and actually create a little nail design for the release of the movie. I'm gonna start by applying a layer of a gorgeous shimmery pink, 2 layers actually. It's quite thin and it's super shimmery, and I thought it's quite glamorous and very Barbie like. Now you can never be too glamorous with Barbie, so I've decided to go in with a third coat of flash gel. So I'm going to use this gorgeous silver glittery flash gel and apply a little bit more sparkle to our nail. Now that the background is ready, I'm going to apply a layer of matte top coat. You guys know I'm obsessed with applying matte top coat before I start painting anything, whether it's character or just line work. It really does make my life easier. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite white by D&D and my favorite liner brush by Nailz by Dev, which is hella cute liner brush, and I'm going to start mapping out a shape of half a heart. I'm going to paint a line down the middle of the nail towards the left side and then continue it with a curved line to complete the shape that I stated. We're also going to just curve the edges at the end of that shape, so it can help us when we are mapping out the chin later on. Next, we're going to paint Barbie's ponytail. So we're going to start by mapping out a mirrored S shape. So we're going to paint a curved line, and as we go downwards, we're going to flick it upwards. Now we're going to make a start on Barbie's side profile. So we're going to go ahead and just paint half a circle to mimic the pony that Barbie has. Another slightly curved line underneath, and then we're going to start painting the nose by adding a little triangle that sticks out. For the mouth, I'm going to add 2 tiny bumps just underneath the nose, and that will complete Barbie's face. Now all that's left to do is continue Barbie's chin and then add 2 straight lines diagonally to paint Barbie's neck. I'm going to start flicking the lines outwards and then create, well, it looks like her shoulders, but it's not, if it makes sense. And then I'm going to curve a line in between and connect the 2 edges. I'm adding a tiny line just underneath Barbie's head to paint her lashes, and then I'm going to thicken some of the bits in Barbie's ponytail. So I'm going to add some thickness to the top half and then a little bit more thickness towards the end where we flick the hair upwards. You want to make sure to keep the midsection quite thin. Now that our silhouette is complete, I'm going to start filling it in and then cure it for the last time before we apply our top coat. To finish off, we're going to seal in the goodness again, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result. And this is it, you guys. We've just painted Barbie's logo. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys all on the next one. Take care.